Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your wallpaper in 1 second. So for this, first of all, I am here on my PC screen. Let's refresh this screen. Okay, now open the Chrome browser and search for the Pinterest app. Log in with your account and search for cool wallpapers for PC. So there you will find multiple options like desktop wallpaper, background, 4K HD, anime, and in this way you have multiple options. If I scroll left, so as you can see, so from here, if you are a girl, you can search for this kind of wallpaper. And if you like any wallpaper and you want a color change or something like this, so open the picture, and here you need to scroll down, so you will find the similar images with the one that you opened. So simply right click on the image and click on save image. From here, choose the folder where you want to save and then click on save. Okay, let's close this browser and open the files. Go to the section where you download the image. Open the image, and here you need to right click on it. Okay, so right click on it, and here we have set as lock screen or background. So I will go with background here. Or you can simply press Ctrl plus B, so it will set as your background. So here, as you can see, the background is set. In this way you can change your boring wallpaper in 1 second. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.